Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Lounge channel, and in this quick tip I will show you how to copy a TechDraw page in your FreeCAD project. I'm using FreeCAD 1.1 in this quick tip. So I have my sample project which contains a sphere and a cube, and I created a TechDraw page or a sheet with a title page which I have filled in, and I have got one view on the page and also this annotation. And let me show you the options I have in copying this page. So the simplest way might be to select the page, go to edit and copy, but now the object selection window opens up. And if you want to know more about copy and paste options in this object selection, I recorded a video previously, so I recommend you to watch that one. But here I select objects that are linked to the page that I want to also copy. If I just click OK, use the default settings, and now I would go to edit and paste, you can see that a page was copied, and it's a page 001, and it has the annotation there and also the view there. So everything looks fine, but the problem is when I'm copying the page, that the cube and the sphere are also part of the dependent objects. So if I now look at my project, everything looks the same, but here in the project tree you can see that the cube and the sphere was copied too. So if I would move the sphere, you could see that there are two spheres now. So this is definitely not what we want to do, especially in a larger project. So let me close the file and open it again. And this is our start file again. So now if I would want to fix this, what happened, and I don't want to copy the cube and sphere, I would select the page and go to edit and copy. And here I want to deselect all of the objects that are in the 3D view, the physical objects. So basically I've got them grouped under the group. So I would deselect the group and the sphere, and the cube is deselected. So now you can see in the drop down none of these physical objects are selected, only the view is selected and the template. And now if I would hit OK and I would go to edit and paste, you can see that I've got my page copied, and also this annotation is copied, so I could actually change the text. So I would change the text on the page 02, and on the page 01 it stays the same. And I could do the same also with the view. It's completely independent view from this first page. And I could also change the text on the title page. So I could change this, for instance, to top view, and this one stays as a side view. So this might be useful to copy the page, including the annotations and the views. Now I quite often want to copy the page without any annotation or without any views. Here I could select the view and the annotation and delete them, but during the copy process I actually had to do this deselection of the physical objects, and this might prove quite tricky when you have more complex project than just with a sphere and a cube. So let me show you how you can copy an empty page. So I will close this project again, and I will not save it, and open it from the default one that we started with previously. And your first instinct might be to copy the page, and in this dialog to deselect the group and deselect also the annotations and deselect the view. So I have only the page and template selected. And now if I select OK and paste the page, you can see that there's a problem. The page was copied, but also the view and the annotation was copied. And these are not independent annotation or view, these are the original ones. So basically like linked, and the view does not contain anything. I don't know why, not sure if this is a bug, but basically if I would change this annotation and I would change the text, changed, I would change it here, and it also changes here on the original page. So, and the text originally stays the same here on the page, the copied page, but I think it would change if we reloaded the file. So this is actually quite messy, and we don't want to have to have that. And also, if I would delete this annotation on the page 001, if I look at the page, it was deleted here too because it's just the one object. And if I would want to get rid of this view and delete it, I'm losing it from the original page. So this, I don't think you would ever need to use this practically. So how would we actually copy just the page? And to copy the page with the title block only, I'm actually using this little trick. And that is that first I will delete all of the annotations and views from the original page. So I will go to here and delete those. So I've got only the page with the template. Now I will select the page and copy the page, and I've got the template included, which is great. So I will click OK. And now before pasting, I will actually use the undo tool. So I will click here, do undo. So now I've got the original page with the view and the annotation, but in the clipboard, I've got the page without the view and annotation. So now if I go to edit, paste the page, here you can see I've got copy of the page, which is independent of the original one, and I can edit this one, and I could place views here, etc. And the original page stays independent. So this is a nice trick to copy a page with a template. So now you know how to copy pages or sheets in FreeCAD. If you like tutorials like this one, consider supporting the FCB Lounge channel by donating through the Ko-Fi page. The link is in the description box below. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.